Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain about lower function. Under the formulas tab, we can find text functions library. In that, here we can find the lower function. The purpose of lower function is it converts all the letters of a string into lowercase. Here I have some data in column A. Right now I am using lower function, lower. This function consists of single function argument. Here I am selecting A3, click on OK. So application converted the text into lowercase. Here I am extracting the formula. So in this way we can use the lower function. Thanks for watching.